Olá pessoal do Remisável, tudo bem com vocês aí? Hoje eu vou gravar o vídeo com applaude sem fazer barulho, só que em inglês. Isso. E eu tô falando português só porque eu quero te mandar um recado. Se você não entende inglês, ou você coloca legenda no vídeo em português, ou você simplesmente não assiste esse vídeo em inglês. Porque o que eu vou falar vai ser praticamente a mesma coisa do vídeo anterior que eu fiz em português. Bora agora pro vídeo. Hello people from the Remisável. Today I do play one song. How you see in the title, I teach how applaude with no noise. Because I have hearing sensitivity. What is hearing sensitivity? Did you know that some people make ticklish with in your body and you feel bothered with this? So my hearing sensitivity is, for example, that some people make ticklish in my ears, but it's not ticklish with the hands, it's with the sounds, noises. For example, when and one sound is more high and acute to me, is very unbearable. And for example, in performances, the people clap your hands and some people scream more high or whistle more high. The whistle more high is very unbearable to me. And the scream more high too is very unbearable to me. And how I be musician, I know that I will hear the people clapping their hands and scream high and whistle more high. It's because this that I have my canceling noises headphones, but my headphones don't help when people whistle high or scream high behind me or close to me. So, to don't bother, I prefer sit in the last second where have nothing people behind me. If I can't sit in this place, the last thing that don't have nothing people behind me, in the in time that the people clap the hands, I have two options. Or I use my headphones and I hold like this, or I make this. Yes. But in my performances, I think that I deserve have respect to me. If you think that applauding with no noise is impossible, and I will talk to you that this is not impossible applauding with no noise, because I see here one video that had one man that have hearing sensitivity similar to me, that the people applaud with no noise. Some people make this or this. So now I will talk one thing to you. One thing is the person give up of be a pianist because it's more hard. But if you train the technique of piano, for example, the scales, but if you train this scale more slow, if you train this scale more slow, you play more fast. And other thing is that people give up to be pianists because in the performance the people applaud. And how about applaud with no noise? Wait. If the people applaud with no noise, I think very amazing to me and amazing to the other people that have hearing sensitivity. And and I have hearing sensitivity and I am autist. And how applaud with no noise? You can applaud with like this, or make this, or these two. If you can show that you are very happy, you can make the three things and smile at the same time. Amazing. Hmm? And I think other thing to you. I don't like theater performances because, but it's not that I don't like the theater performance. The problem in the theater performance is that the people clap their hands, some people scream more high and whistle more high. This is the problem. I love uh, the people acting in the theater, but the people applaud with noise is more problem to me. So if you can applaud with no noise, making more difference to me and the person that have a hearing sensitivity that are seeing my performance. So if you can applaud with no noise, you are respected me and the person that's singing to me that is similar to me, that hearing sensitivity. I repeat, how applaud with no noise. Like this. Or amém. So, bye bye, see you next video. I have one thing to talk. After this video, I play one song to you. is one popular song and one classical songs. And bye bye, see you next video. See you next video. Thank you.